West Karbi Anglong Vothat lang solong kido Semson sing Engti College Chalong kacharli mumaratum sidami dong kamukam Rangsina College an damjok lon pen methang College Chalong amat satlang tok longpo pinpur dami kidamtang West Karbi Anglong along kaduk kawi Humpli College do lasonsi dong kamukam Rangsina College Vothat lang so Semson sing Engti College Hamren Waisong College lapen Helang Pialong Kopti College Lahum Tiang Bopen Exam Center along Verajok Ajha College atum satlang kitok damahut kisung kipo mati kedam kebang katura dodo Laso Puthak Matha Parsiponsi Semson sing Engti College Principal Dr. Biswajit Roy Lapen KAC Taxation Advisory Board Chairman Lipson B Lapen Ari Sangho atum kacharli usomaratum kisung kipo alama Puthak Assam University Silchar an kedamtang Aruni Bhai Inkoirai CR ni Palidam si Choning Rialo Pipa Jirdamlo Bangso Puthak Assam University Silchar Tumpen RD Piponsi Pen Puthot Vosik ni Bhai Kritrok Assam University Silchar Pen Labangso Semson sing Engti College Nangkahumri Aphan Wangsi Kelang Choria Sai Deng Pondo Bangso Pikidam Tang Chiti ni Bhai Nerkepar ni Bangke Assam University Silchar Pen Semson sing Engti College Chalong Amatsi Degree Kacharli Boy Atum an methang adim mate Semson sing Engti College Chalong Amat satlang mate exam chetok longpo pu Assam University Silchar official pen hukum alo pangdak pondo
Taxation Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Diku Mr. Lipson Bedanguria and my office assistant Mr. Kamsa and my dear media person present here. So actually our college was established in the year of 1999, 24th of July, and from that day degree of the students used to appear their examination in Rangsina College Examination Center and
Laso Puthak Semson sing Engti College Principal Dr. Biswajit Rao Lapen KAC Taxation Advisory Board Chairman Lipson B Aphan Labangso Sayalong Kacharabdun Thegajok Akiro Pipon Lapen Controller of Examination Dr. Subtaber Dukta Roy Aphan Sudami Kachoro Pajirpon
from our college. Rangsina College to our college or koi bahut dur hoy তাতে আমার স্টুডেন্টবিলাক যেতিয়া গৈ পৰীক্ষা দিয়ে বহুত অসুবিধা হয় কমিউনিকেশ্যন গেপ হয় উইণ্টাৰ সেশনতো তেওঁলোকে পৰীক্ষা দি আহোঁতে ৰাতি হৈ যায় গতিকে আসাম ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি শিলচৰ তেওঁলোকে যে আমাৰ কলেজৰ এক্সামিনেশ্যন চেণ্টাৰটো দিছে তাৰ কাৰণে
Bortholpen Priyanka Balmiki KTV News